Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Karate UI automation tutorial, we are going to learn about the remaining browser functions that are there. For example, maximizing the page, moving the page, or doing the page as full screen, and minimizing the page or quitting the browser, right? So pretty simple and easy, but then maximizing the page is something which you will be using a lot, right? So how we can basically go ahead and achieve this? It's absolutely simple, as we have understood in the last one, right? So let me do a copy of this browser features again and create another file which is number 3, and here what we are doing is we are going to this Karate lab, so we'll just stick to it, and instead of refresh and anything, what we'll do is we'll just delay and let's maximize, right? So to maximize, nothing more, simply star and then driver dot maximize. Okay, so that's it. That's all it is required to maximize the browser. Okay, so if we go here, right, you will see that's all we need. So we maximize it, and then what we'll do is we'll simply just driver.maximize, then let's say we minimize. Okay, or prior to maximize, let's do the full screen. Okay, so we'll say full screen. So full screen and maximize, we'll see the difference as well. So we'll say full screen and then maximize and then minimize. All right, so you can see how maximize and minimize will work. Okay, so after delay of 2 seconds, we'll then minimize. After maximizing, we'll minimize the browser. Okay, so please check the spelling that it's all correct. So it's better to copy these functions and paste it here. Okay, so you do not get into any troubles while running the test, right? So maximize, minimize, and full screen. So let's quickly run the script and see that the browser is actually getting full screen, then maximized, and then minimized. Okay, so if I run this, it should run in the Firefox browser because we are using the Gecko driver. Open the browser, should launch the page. Yep, it did, and it will go to the distributed testing page, then full screen. You can see this is full screen, then maximized, right, and then minimized. Okay, and then finally it will quit, right? So let it finish. Still going on. Yeah, now if we refresh this target folder and let's go to the summary page and refresh this report, go to the report here. Okay, so this is the feature 3, browser functions 3, and you will see the full screen has happened, maximized, and then minimized. All right, and then finally, once within Karate the script will finish, then it will automatically quit, right? So we have also looked at the function which is quit, right? So if I go back here, you will see that quit function is there as well. Okay, so we have looked at maximize, minimize, full screen. So what is the difference between full screen and maximize? Full screen will do the browser as a full screen, right? This is the maximized browser. So this is not the maximized browser. If I click on this icon here, right, you will see the maximize. So if I click on maximize, this is what the maximize will do. Okay, but full screen will basically make this whole page as full screen. So let's see if we can find out. So basically there is a command to change it to full screen shortcut, basically full screen shortcut. Okay, so you can see the difference. So yep, function F11, right? So function F11 should do that. So if I say on my keyboard function F11 or just F11, yep. So some computers it will be function F11 or just F11, right? So if I do F11, you will see that it has maximized, right? This is the full screen browser. If you press F11 again, then it will come to the maximized format wherein you will find this menu there. When we say minimize, it is basically this little icon, the minus sign. That's what minimize will do, right? It will minimize the browser in the menu bar here. Okay, so that's what the maximize, minimize, and full screen is all about. Now going to the quit. Okay, understanding the quit is also important. So quit will basically quit the browser. It will close the browser. If you'll see here, it will close the browser, and you normally never need this. Okay, Karate will close the browser automatically after a scenario unless the driver instance was created before entering the scenario. Okay, so if you have created a browser instance after the scenario, right, then it will automatically be called. So quit will automatically be called, and you won't be needing that. And that's why whenever our test finishes, you will see the browser automatically gets closed and we don't need to do any quit. But if you have to use the quit, how you can do it? You simply use the same format, right? So you simply say star and then say driver dot quit, and that's it. So this line will quit the browser, okay, if you want to purposely go ahead and quit the browser in Karate UI. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial on browser functions. And what functions we have understood about in this tutorial is maximize, full screen, minimize, and quit. Okay, so that completes the browser functions that you need to know for your automation. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.